How to make an amber fossil. Grab a tray, a small bowl, food coloring, measuring spoons, saline solution, a popsicle stick, measuring cup and water, baking soda, school liquid glue, and an insect toy. In the small bowl, use the popsicle stick to mix together 1/8 cup of water and a few drops of food coloring. Measure and mix 1/8 cup of clear liquid glue. Then measure and mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This poor little insect toy is going to get trapped and mixed into your solution. Slowly add in 1 teaspoon of saline solution and stir fast. Notice how your solution starts to harden. You may need to add in a little more saline solution to thicken the amber fossil as you go. Pick up the amber fossil and squish it with your hands. It's okay if there's a little bit of water left in the bowl. Now you have a model of an amber fossil, which is very similar to the ones that paleontologists find even today.